here, my apartment. I'm gonna do an empty apartment tour. My move-in day is next week, so I was able to visit it today, which was nice. This is the front door. It's a key fob door. These are my neighbors.
Wait, the lighting's like so bright.
Yeah. But yeah, this is the front door. And over here is the kitchen. So right here is the pantry. Pretty, oh fuck, I don't know how to explain it. So we're gonna do a whole extra like organizing my pantry. I'm gonna do a separate video for like every like spot in the apartment. Okay, and then right here is the fridge. So yeah, this is the freezer. Drawers.
Yeah, I know this
So it's pretty big. More cabinets, like drawers. And then we have a microwave, which is nice. And then the stove with like an oven. Pretty good sink.
There's
So
two.
nice. Yeah, and it has this.
Oh, I love that.
I
The
love, like,
detachable.
We have a dishwasher, which I'm gonna use as like a drying thing.
It just
As
looks like a
Filipinos.
normal one.
The outlets have USB, which
Oh,
is really nice. I know, it's
oh,
so
I
like,
love that.
like modern and updated. And then over here is my favorite.
The island.
Cabinets.
But
it's like
if
white.
y'all know what this is,
It's not marble.
comment down below.
But I like how it's white and then the cabinets are dark color.
Yeah,
Let's show this.
hold on. The lighting's really bright. How do I adjust it?
I don't know how to adjust it. Like a dining area.
Here,
but
let's
I'm
look
not-
at the floor
yeah, I'm not
space.
gonna put in a dining area for now because I need a space. And I'm probably just gonna be eating on like the island anyway.
Yeah, she's gonna
And
eat on the island.
This is the living area.
I can barely see you.
Oh, because of the light.
Yeah.
You can go right over
Okay.
here. This is the living area, and then the vaulted ceilings,
It's high
which is
ceiling.
like exactly what I wanted. I was looking for vaulted ceilings and big windows, and it had a fan, so that's nice. Because it gets so hot in California.
Wait, why did it go black screen? Okay, hold on. Let me do a montage.
So yeah, it has these big windows, which I love, and then it goes all the way up there. And I'm definitely gonna open that, so I will need like a little ladder.
It's just a cute
Yeah, it's really
square.
cute. I can put like plants outside and like a little patio set or a small couch or something. But it opens up like this. And then there's another storage over there. But yeah, it's pretty cute. And over here is the bedroom. Small window over here, and then this big closet. It's not a walk-in closet, but I feel like
It's really wide though.
yeah,
You
it's
can
so wide. Like you can literally walk in here, which
Yep.
is nice. Space here, technically for like TV. This is the bathroom.
The lights.
It's actually pretty
Where's the
big.
light?
Yeah, it's really nice. And it has like two cabinets. This side, and then the shower, which I'm so excited because I
Oh my
honestly
gosh,
just want
it's
a
kind of
shower.
big though.
Yeah, like
I like how it's glass doors.
yeah, I like the shower. And then it also has
I love this.
Yeah, access
the
to-
windows.
yeah. It has access to the patio. It's just so nice.
I love the lighting. It's
Yeah,
so
it just
bright.
like makes it like more open. And like you can open this too.
Like breathable.
Oh, how do we open it? Ta-da! So that's nice.